Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Apple ID without password in iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go to settings, check internet properly working, scroll down, type general, scroll down, type transfer reset iPhone. Now tap on erase all content and settings, type continue, enter passcode, tap skip. Now tap on forget password. Now again tap passcode. So guys, change new password and now remove easily old Apple ID.